Welcome to the presentation of the EPPE PX, a unit which combines power quality functionality with a digital fault recorder. This unit has 4 voltage inputs, which are galvanically isolated and can measure up to 600 volts. Additionally, the PX has 8 current inputs. 4 inputs are for direct current measurement up to 32 amps, and 4 inputs can be used for current sensors. Current as voltage input have a maximum sample rate of 200 kHz. The system features 8 binary inputs in 2 groups with a measurement range of 24 to 300 volt DC. You can also capture temperature by using a PT1000 sensor and output a voltage of plus minus 10 volts. The 4 10-volt sensor inputs can be used to connect all kinds of sensors such as light, pressure, or even wind strength. 2 binary outputs can be used to send signals to the control system. Time synchronization can be done either via DCF signal, a GPS antenna, or NTP time protocol. The internal supply of the PX are 12 volts. Those can be fed either over a wide range power supply or a typical battery. Next, you have the COM ports, which are the interlink for connecting various units together, such as different EPPE PX or Sherlock units, 2 USB ports for data management, and 1 Ethernet port for the communication with the network. The control of the device is realized by the 7-inch touchscreen and 4 functional keys. Additional LEDs show the system status. The local display features different online views and analyzing functions, which I will be explaining now. Scope functionality to view voltages and current. A vector diagram with amplitudes and angles. A trend view with an evaluation of all measurement values for 60 seconds or 10 minutes. A bar graph view for better comparison between each phase. A harmonic overview to view all harmonics from voltage and current. If a limit value is exceeded, it will be shown immediately. And also a numerical view which features voltage, current, flicker, THD, and so on. Under status, you can see the system status such as active instruments, sync state, binary inputs, binary outputs, and system memory. Under analysis, you have your evaluation functions for your digital fault records, as well as your dynamic disturbance records. Also, you see violations of your settings, as well as the limit settings. And lastly, under settings, you can access the system settings, license status, recorder functions, as well as change the communication parameters. More information can be found under KoCoS.com. Thank you for watching.